Okay, fáilte go dtí an ranghailge inniu. So, ifir hain by tú ag ceartú de chuid oberwalia. Okay, so Jerry May on Gaelga agus Jerry May on Berla. Okay, so make sure you have the correct Berla beside it. Okay, so by an Gaelga agus an Berla. On Shin, by tú ag dul raig leis na characterella. Kitty Cat agus an sin han an scéal leat. Okay, so really our mission is just by na nótaí seo scríofa isteach I do chopléir. Okay, and that just has you set up then, and this is the material that you need to help you to prepare for your screw-do. Okay, which you will be having by screw-do wrong a gwyn taration na cosca. Okay, and you will have to know all of this and be able to talk about these aspects of catfish in your screw-do wrong. Okay, so on Aquimera, Husig John Green agus Kitty Cat ag caintear líne. John Green and Kitty Cat started to talk online. Chuir John Green along ceiste na aisteacha Kitty Cat. John Green asked Kitty Cat a lot of strange questions. Bhí Kitty Cat ceithre bliana déag díos agus dúirt John Green go raibh sé bliana déag díos. Kitty Cat was 14 years of age, and John Green said that he was 16 years of age. Ifir cahar, bhuaigh Kitty Cat mí compórtach. Kitty Cat felt uncomfortable. Ifir cuaig, thucraigh siad bula I borc feibli. They arranged to meet in a public park. Ifir sé, nuair a bhfuil siad le chéile, fuair Kitty Cat amach go raibh John Green ag insint breige. When they met up with each other, Kitty Cat found out that John Green was telling lies. Ifir shocked, bhuail she bub John Green nuair a dtír she agus Broner tá butúna sin. So bhuail she bub John Green. She played a trick on John Green. Nuair a dtír she a own poker. Okay, when she asked him for his phone poker, for his phone. Agus bhagar she and she threatened him. Ifir hooked, hig John Green go raibh sé I bunk. John Green knew that he was exposed. I suppose he was found out. Ifir ní hogue Kitty Cat arigid o John Green. Kitty Cat took money from John Green. Mar deir an seanokul, filan an fial an fialra. As the seanokul says, what comes around goes around, or the foul returns to the fowler. Okay. Now, the character. So, far ulca bhí ann. He was a terrible or an evil man. Dinne sé breig de chalín óg agus lig sé go raibh sé bliana déag díos. He told lies to a young girl and he pretended lig sé go raibh sé that he was 16 years of age. Dinne sé breig nig bhréige. He told lie after lie. Dun chalín go raibh sé an bhfuin rugby mar hampla to the girl that he was on the rugby team, for example. Is dinne sláin a bhí ann mar cruthigh sé profile breigach chun labhart le chalíní óga. He was a sly person because he created a fake profile to talk to young girls. Ní raibh ein trua a gum dó ag deire an scéal, mar gur duine míbhacánta agus suúrach I had no pity for him at the end of the story because he is a terrible and dishonest man. Okay. Now, ag fécinn their character, Kitty Cat. Is Colleen ceithre bliana déag díos a bhí a Kitty Cat? Okay. Éisce. Is anam profile atá a Kitty Cat agus ní aimime amach cén fear anam atá ag an galín. So it's Kitty Cat is a profile name and we do not find out ní aimime amach what is her real name. Cén fear anam atá ar an galín. Bhí si sinanta mar gur ceap si go raibh si a caint le buacail óg. She was innocent because she thought she was talking to a young boy. Bhí si ceann dána mar gur bhuail si le John Green. She was well, ceann dána might not be the right word. Bhí si dána. Okay, bhí si beidir cróga Let's go with Donna. Okay, Vichy Donna. She's a bold. Okay, so she had a bit of boldness in her. Mar Vichy Brisha na Rilika. Agus Dinish she brag Lena Tishmahori, and she told lies to her parents. So I suppose Vichy sinanta och Bader nach Revshi. Bader Revshi nach Revshi sinanta. Ní rev agla urhi, nor a vul she lesh an var man eiste. She was not afraid when she met with the middle-aged man. Vul she bob air, nor a gwid she an target boy. She played a trick on him when she stole the money from him. Agus vrish she a own poker, and she broke his phone. Vi she de chart de, gleich occur na gordi I mochurum. She should have, vi she de chart de, she should have rang the guards, in my opinion, in mochurum. Okay? Agus an písa déarnach hahan an scéalat. Hahan an scélum. Okay, hahan an scélum. I enjoyed it. Léiríonn sé go bhfuil an tidirlín don séireach. It shows, léiríonn sé, that the internet is dangerous. Caithfí daoine óga agus éiste a bheith cuaireamach I gcónaí. Young people and older people, óga agus éiste, they must be careful. Always. Okay? Hahan an téime lum. An oige no don share an idirlín. Okay? So sin an téime atá an seo an oige. Youth or don share an idirlín. The danger of the internet. Vi casa ag dera an scéal. There was a twist in the end of the story. A vi gama dar lum. That was good in my opinion. Or according to me, darlum. For John Green on rud a vi inan do. John Green got what was coming to him. Carcalor? Okay, gohíntoch, so scríb an béarla agus an ghaeilge isteach I de chópléir aus. Slán go fóill agus gan éirí leat.